Thankless Loves Moms Week continues here on The Morning Show. And of course, we want mom to look and feel her best. We brought in Christine Cho this morning with a Mother's Day beauty gift guide to help us all pick out something that will put a smile on mom's face. But first, Christine, we're going to see your mom's smiling face. Let's see some photos.
Oh, dear. Oh, she's beautiful. Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
That's a great shot.
She's got the best smile. Thank you.
And tell us about this photo. This is you and your bubs?
This is my little monster, Savannah. Yeah, this is when we were in Toronto, and she just loves going to the playground, and she's my joy. So I love being a mom, honestly.
Three generations.
Yes, love it. Through the generations, absolutely. Okay, Christine, we're going to help mom look and feel her best this Mother's Day. And we're going to start this morning with some skincare.
Right. So beauty gifts are no surprise. A lot of people gift their mom this, reminding her to take some time for self-care and all that. So I'm starting with a serum and a moisturizer. My serum pick, honestly, good skin type sometimes is genetic, but there are a lot of clinically proven things we can do. The Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiant Serum is my top pick. I talk about this product all the time on Instagram. It's brightening. It covers dark spots, from sun, acne, pregnancy, melasma. It evens out your skin tone. It helps improve the texture and glow. It's got viniferine, which is from the vine sap of grapes. Really interesting. It's a vitamin C alternative that's sun safe. It's got olive squalane, which is non-greasy. It's hydrating. It's a vegan formula, and the packaging is recyclable, so you can feel good about that. And it's something you can share because it's for all skin types. So that's a great thing.
All right. And then, you have a moisturizer?
Yeah, so the moisturizer I would put on top is from Clinique. It's the Auto Replenishing Moisturizer. It's actually called 100H Auto Replenishing Hydrator because you can't give mom back the 100 hours of sleep you stole from her when you were a kid, but you can give her 100 hours of hydration. So this refreshing gel cream moisturizer is so fresh. It's like a beautiful sorbet. I can't describe it. It protects from drying, aggressors like the environment, weather, pollution, air conditioning, heating, all the bad stuff. And it gives your busy mom a time to take, that skincare moment. So this is a moment that I cherish for myself. I lock the door, take my moment, and, just give yourself that refreshing look. Again, something you can share with grandma, daughter. It's safe for everybody to use. And you'll notice an immediate plumping, dewy, radiant effect, which we love.
Okay. All right. We're moving to nails next. And Christine, all moms know that it is hard to keep polish on your nails when you're doing everything around the house. I just got my nails done last week and the paint's off already. So you might have a quick fix for that.
I have a solution, and this is something I use all the time. People know this. So these are the press-on nails. So Impress has these premium manicures. They're called Impress Press-On Manicure Premium Nails. So that is something that's a great alternative for busy moms who don't have time for drying time and the chipping and the smudging, all that. So these are really cool. You don't need glue. They don't damage your nail. Don't put them on top of a manicure like I do when I'm demoing this. I just had a manicure done as well, so I had to show you guys how to use this. Put it on bare, clean nails. This is really cool. Wipe it with alcohol, press it on. It has a built-in adhesive, and it's so affordable at the drugstore. You can afford to buy all the styles. So they have 6 styles in their premium collection. Textured, 3D, trendy designs that look like nail art. I get stopped all the time by people saying, who does my nail art? And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, the drugstore does. So this is a great thing. Also fun time, quality time to spend with your mom or your grandma or other women in your life to do this together. And so cool. I don't have them here, but they have minis for like older kids. So it's a really fun time to like watch your favorite show and like do your nails together.
All right. Up next, we're going to talk hair care.
Yeah. So I don't know about you guys. When I was a kid, my mom brushing my hair after bath, my grandma braiding my hair was a huge memory for me. It's a bonding experience. And we're going to get literal with bonding. So Mark Anthony has this amazing repair, bond, and rescue plex system. So it's got shampoo, conditioner, hydrating mask, leave-in conditioner. The whole point of this system is to basically rebuild the damaged disulfide bonds from the inside out of your hair fiber. So this stuff penetrates deep. It's a revolutionary system, clinically proven to make your hair stronger, smoother, shinier, more manageable, and the color more vibrant. Guys, the best part, I cannot believe how affordable this is. Salon products, which I also love, can cost upwards from $50 to $100. These are super affordable at the drugstore. I think it's under $12 for each product. My mind was blown. Again, they did a study comparing premium brands next to this drugstore brand, and it performed the same or better. When I did the test live with this brand, I actually picked this brand over the premium brand. I was shocked that I did that myself. But basically, not only is the outside shinier and it's easier to brush, people with long hair know the struggle, it actually makes your hair stronger. And for me, I'm chemically processing my hair. That's something that you can share again with all generations.
Man, we need our TMS money saver tip right there.
Yeah,
I love hearing that. That's great.
Yeah.
All right, last but not least, you have a pick for beautiful lips for mom.
Yeah, that's right. So everybody wants plumper lips. As we age, become mom, grandma, as the years pass, our lips, the volume decreases. And I have a solution, again, a great drugstore pick, super affordable from Indeed Labs. This is a great Canadian brand. The Hydroluron Plus volumizing lip treatment. Sorry, I have a mouthful here myself. So you can get the non-tinted or tinted versions in pink, peach, and red. What's cool is you get intense hydration, plumping, but no irritation. So you'll see a very subtle plumping. It's not like your lips are burning and they look like they're bee stung. They just look a little more healthier, fuller. It's got Volulip Ultra Filling Spheres, Hydroxynol IDL. These are the scientifically proven ingredients to actually help the appearance of your lips. And it's got a cushiony texture that's not sticky, but really smooth and shiny. And I love that the ingredients are safe because you can actually give your mom a kiss on Mother's Day, give your daughter a kiss, and not worry. Sometimes I'm wearing lip products and I worry about, giving Savannah a pack at night or when I'm leaving for work. So yeah, doesn't it feel lovely? So it's very comfortable to wear and again, super safe and just looks beautiful whether you pick a tint. And it's a subtle hint of color if you pick the tinted ones.
Okay.
What do you think?
Giving it a try.
Yeah.
Feels
How is
good.
it?
You tell me. How
Right?
does it look?
Looks
Check your
great.
lips a few minutes later. Yeah.
And all of these products, of course, are going to keep mom looking and feeling her best on Mother's Day. Christine, thank you so much. Appreciate it as always, and have a great Mother's Day yourself.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day, Carolyn, and to all the mothers out there.